What? What else did you dream?
I dreamed
What did you see?
that the water
What? Palm trees and a giraffe? How big was the giraffe?
like that big.
Like that big? Like really big?
Uh-huh.
Where was it?
What? Over here.
It was over there. What was he doing?
Just feeding my plants.
Just feeding your plants? What kind of plants?
Go back outside that door.
Oh, all the ones in the back door. Yeah.
And then to go inside.
Yeah. Did he just went inside? He ate all your plants and went inside? What was a silly giraffe? What were the palm trees doing?
Racing.
They were wiggling? Like that? What else?
That all I dreamed.
That was all the trees?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did it make you happy or sad?
Happy.
Happy. That's good. You want some coconut milk?